Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a minigun, only minigun. That's sad. Guys, you saw that? I just destroyed him, guys. I just...
What you can do that?
That was sick, guys.
I just did it.
Yo, guys, you gotta like... I don't know how to do it. Okay, there were 10 of this, I'm not sure. Can't get me now because I'm in the air.
GG, bro.
Okay. What? Guess what? Guess what's happening?
Okay.
Okay, I guess. But, okay.
You're kidding.
Yo, guys, I just... Cut to hub. Let's do this. I want to. So, oh my god. Guys, that was insane. You saw that snipe, dude. Yeah, that was just insane, guys. FIFA Arena, nah. Yes, let's go. Someone's finally playing this. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I love this one. Let's go, guys. One of you guys might have liked, so that made it better. Or it's just people that wanted to play. So yeah, it's either one of those. One like equals one prayer. So yeah, technically, that's what I see. So let's just go on this dude's build. You know, I don't never want to be. I guess we're in teams. So that's it. Oh, come on, guys. He got me, knocked me. That was pretty sad. I wanted to get it, but I couldn't. Oh, by the way, thank you, Phonics, dude. But it's okay. You just need to try, guys. That's all you need to do. As long as you try and have fun, that's good content. I guess, if you want, if you like to see. Yeah, I'm gonna add this week. He's like decent, you know? He defeated, but it's okay. It's okay. Cause guys, we are gonna destroy him now. We're gonna destroy these dudes right now. Okay, you got me? Got me? You hear me, right? You hear me, right? We're gonna destroy them, right? Right? Okay. You say he said yes, guys. So. Nice. That's what I like to hear. Well, not in real life, but you know, we're oh, what the heck? Yo, oh, we need to get out of the storm, guys. Pick me up. Just pick me up. Just pick me up. Oh, never mind. He's not my team. I forgot for him. Oh, dang it. Defeated, guys. Okay, guys. I pinky promise I'm gonna build it now. I pinky promise I'm gonna show you my 90s. It's gonna be super slow. But, not like I'm gonna try. 90s. Yo, it's just insane how I got that snipe. I'm like, I just can't stop thinking about that. It's just insane. My life's insane. Okay, never mind. I'm not doing 90s. I'm trying to snipe him. Okay. Oh, dang it! Oh, come on. I really wanted to do it. Wait, who's killing me? Oh, whatever. I guess. Oh, well, yes. Okay, guys, just 2 more rounds because, yeah. Yeah, well, 2 more rounds, guys. Guess you guys are not liking the video. But, it's okay. It's fine. Wait, hold. How? Wait, 3? Say what? Okay, guys, we're done. Run, dude, run! Whoa! Let's go, assaults it right now. If we win, nice. Let's go, guys. Well, that'll be it. Thank you very much for liking. We got the win. But yeah, so hope you enjoy. Peace.